Hi, this is Steve from SewingGold.com. I'm going to show you how slow we've got a 3/4 horsepower servo motor on this typical GC6-7-D. Just going to show you how slow we could sew. This is some medium weight leather. It's not all that dense. I'm just going to show and just show you the speed of the motor. So the thicker the fabric, probably the more speed you may have to give it. But this is where the motor's set. I'm going to push my foot all the way down on the pedal to give the full speed of what I've got it on now. And then I'll also try and let off a little bit to go a little slower. Can't quite get it to go stitch by stitch. I have a size 18 leather needle in here. You can see it's pretty slow. When you get it to go that slow, it sort of stalls a little bit on you. But the full speed that I've got it on would be this. I've got my foot all the way down. Okay, I'm going to do this same thing on our Consew P1206RB-1. Okay, so here's the same piece of material, but now on the Consew P1206RB-1. Looks like I gotta up the speed ever so slightly on this one. I'm gonna try and get it in a sweet spot. Don't want to go too fast. All right, here we go. Now with this one, I had to bump the speed up ever so slightly. I'm just going to try and control it more with my foot. Could be also this machine does this one I just put in this table doesn't get as much use as my GC6-7-D. Very similar machine. Try and slow it down ever so slightly. So this is me pushing all the way down on the pedal again. Same sort of thing as I did with the GC6-7-D. And now, like I said, I could slow it down ever so slightly with my foot pressure. But then it does give a little bit of a stall there. But this will also depend on the motor you get. Some of the motors are a little more sensitive, some are not. And we can also try our 6000 SM has a little more low-end power, going through thicker fabrics and going slower, but the actual speed setting, the slowest speed setting on that machine is technically 500 RPMs, but you can get it to go down to about 200 RPMs with your foot pressure. So hopefully this showed you how slow I can go on the standard 3/4 horsepower servo motor that we sell. If you have any questions, just leave the questions down, messages below, and I will try and respond to them. Thank you.